That is why today all the legislators, including the minister, before the Gandhi statue, we are having a protest because the ED officials forced Mr. Kallesh, who is the Assistant Director of Social Welfare Department, to tell that, forcibly tell them, asking him to spell out the name of the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, and the Minister. The Minister himself had voluntarily resigned for a free and fair investigation. We knew, I also inquired with him. He said that in no way has been involved. We gave it to SIT, and SIT has been recovered more than 50%. They have arrested very number of many people. I don't know the number about the investigation, but I was told that more than 50% of the amount has been recovered. It is 89 crores. In that 50% has already been required, but action will be taken upon me. Now ED officials have been entered. ED officials also is inquiring. At the time of investigation, they have been forced Mr. Kallesh, the Assistant Director, to specify that the CM has been involved. You tell the name of CM, you tell the name of the minister, otherwise you will go to 7 years jail. That is the force they have been done. The officer has gone to the police station and he has registered the complaint. We came to know in the late evening, after 9:30, the incident has happened like this. So we all decided that we should tell the people of Karnataka, they are trying to destabilize my Chief Minister and the government. We stand by, the people should know about this. The country should know about this, how they are misusing the ED. You know, I have been targeted. You know how CBI is harassing people like me. I will tell all the stories some other time, what CBI is doing, how they are harassing me also. ED also harassed me. Now also cases are going on. One case I have been acquitted. Income tax has been harassing us. So they are using all the opposition leaders to harass in different forum. So we condemn it. We will fight for justice. We believe that the people of this country will understand and protect us on this issue.
Sir, what is the next course of action because
the FIR has been done. The law will take its own course. We don't want to meddle with the investigation. There are the police officials. The FIR has been registered. They are autonomous. They have their own authority. They will do their job. We will tell it later. This is the first action. We will take up in the assembly also. We will discuss it.